Nung tumayo siyang may kastitin.
Ayun nga. Ayun na tayo na. Si Shaira talaga bulgar na. Bulgar ka na, Shaira.
Tumayo ka na, gwaga na. Tumayo ka na kasi.
Ngayon, nag-uusap to.
Ano kayang gano'n? Ay! Shaira! Lata! Bakla! Wala na. Lata na. Booking na. Si Shaira ang unang tumayo. Okay, ang win and the winner is Shaira! Ang prize
Cruzita pa din.
ang huling ang huling umupo, ang huling nakaupo. Akashi.
Tara.
Hindi, ang totoo talaga yung huling yung huling tumayo, siya yung may crush kay M.
Nagpulbo pa talaga.
Nagpulbo pa, nagpaayos pa, di ba?
Naka-record. Kawawa naman ang bata. Kung yung bata, iiyak na.
Iyak pa.
Uy, sumuko niya kayo
Naunang tumuyo ni Iyak na. Iyak si Cruzita. Nakaupo pa doon.
Ba't pati ngayon?
Okay, we're now on. What place is this?
We're now going to Centro.
We're now going home.
Bakit pa tayo? This is Binyan Laguna,
We're on the vicinity.
and that one is Cavite.
We're on the boundary of Binyan and San Pedro. We have a beautiful view here and some fresh air.
The Church of San Agustin.
And the Total gasoline station. You can look over there, the covered court donated by Governor Teresita Lazaro. And over there, what's it called?
What's it called?
The Ark of San Pedro Rosario. And at the back, it's Arlie with the Power Pass Girl.
With the crush.
The Mojo Jojo.